this pink, this variegation, and then you get this pink variegation. Then you got that one. So I had it, I was getting it. I was like, all right, what's going on? Then down here, I was like, okay, what's going on? We got spots of pink. Then I can see more pink on the stem. It needs to grow on something. You can see how stiff it is. I did my own mix with this in this plastic container. It has holes on the bottom, has drainage holes, but if you look inside, it has perlite, it has coconut coir, sphagnum. This is another pink princess. We still got some spotting of pink. Pretty cool. Stem looks good, so this looks promising. So we'll see what happens as it gets closer to the light. We'll see if it wants to give me some more pink. Actually, this soil was just straight up. I believe this was